Hi there. In this video, we're going to put together this cute bunny card. So let's get into it. I remembered my card base this time. And I'll show you this, what I did. Okay, so on Design Space, I added the bunny image and had the leaves flow over the rectangle, which this this card base or card front, I'll provide the 100% free to cut Design Space file on my blog or website, which I'll link in the description down below. Let's see. So I did that, and then I used contour to hide all the leaves and just leave the bunny, because I want to put her on pop dots or adhesive foam dots, and have her pop up like she's, 3D. So that's what I did there. So the image, there was a bunch of cute images of this bunny that's in a set, but I like this one the best because it was like she's frolicking in the leaves. It's so cute. So to get the leaves that overhang, it's a rectangle, which is provided in the Design Space file, and I sized it to where the leaves overhang, and then I pulled it down for the leaves to overhang on the bottom too. So that's how I did that. It's flattened to the rectangle. Maybe that should help. Okay. Trying to figure out what I'm doing. Alright. So I remembered my card base. That's good. Put that off to the side. Put her and off to the side. And this is a digital paper that looks almost similar to her in her dress and all. So I thought it was cute. I used a couple of different digital paper sets on this one, because I wanted a plaid. All right. Got glue on my hand. Alright. Hopefully it's not too crooked. It's off to one side though. Let's see, can I peel it apart? Yeah. Alright. It's hard for me to get them lined up. Now it's too far over. Alright. Brayer it down. Just go with it. The glue was still wet, so no more. I didn't have to add no more glue. So we have this rectangle, which this layers on top of. So see how the leaves are overflowing. So we're going to glue that down. don't know. Alright. So now we have both layered layers. Oops, sorry. Then this one goes behind it. So I don't know exactly where I have it on my layout, but I wanted this to be centered and this to be down more. Alright. Okay. Put it right there. Alright. I don't know if it's straight or not. Looks straight from this angle. And I'm going to use my brayer. So now we have this piece of her. So I'm going to put we'll glue this down first. Keep getting glue on my finger from the bottle. No. Well, I'll just leave it like that. It doesn't really matter. It just needs to be straight. Alright. I hope it's straight. It's about as straight as I'm going to get it, probably. It's a little crooked, but it's fine. Alright, so this piece, I'm going to put adhesive foam squares on the back of it to pop it up, to give like a 3D effect. Alright, now I gotta peel all the papers off. Whoops. Okay, you might see my head. So I'm going to line the feet up and the dress up. And there we go. Now she's 3D. Looks pretty cool. Alright, and the sentiment. I know it's white on white, but it It didn't look good with the cream one. See, I cut it out with the cream, but it's too dark of a cream. So, alright, add to the card base. I use craft cardstock for my matting layers. So this will be on the free card fronts page, which I'll link to my website in the description box below. It will be 100% free to cut, and I'll link to the papers I used and the clip art. Alright, and that's the finished card. Thank you for watching. Bye.